In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to Testrail. To get started, open your Jira dashboard and make sure you are signed in with an account that has permission to install and configure apps. This is important because if you don't have the right access level, some of the menu options may not appear or you may not be able to complete the setup. Once you are on the Jira dashboard, go to the top menu and click Apps. From there, select Explore More Apps. This will take you to the App Marketplace area where you can browse and install integrations for your Jira instance. If the page takes a moment to load, that's completely normal. Next, use the search bar to look for the Testrail for Jira Test Management app. When it appears in the results, click on it to open the app listing. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct app before moving forward, especially if you see multiple Testrail-related results. After that, click Get App to begin the installation. Jira may take a few moments to process the request and install the app, so just wait for the installation to complete. Depending on your system and permissions, you might see a confirmation message when it's finished. If you don't see the app immediately, give it a few extra seconds and refresh if needed. Once the app is installed, click the three dots next to Apps, then click Manage Apps. Then click Take Me There to take you the administration here. You can manage all installed apps in the search bar. Search Testrail. Click the three dots next to the Testrail app and click Configure. This is where you'll connect Jira to your Testrail account. During this part of the setup, make sure you are entering the correct information, since even a small typo can prevent the integration from working properly. You'll then be asked to enter your Testrail instance address along with an integration key generated from your Testrail account. Carefully paste in those details exactly as provided in your own system. For security and privacy, never share your integration key publicly. And avoid entering sensitive credentials anywhere outside the official configuration screen. After you've entered the required information, review everything once more to make sure it's accurate. A correct instance address and valid integration key are essential for a successful connection between Jira and Testrail. At this point, your setup should be ready and Jira will be connected to Testrail through the installed app. If something doesn't work right away, double-check the configuration values and confirm that the integration key was created correctly in Testrail. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.